day is it today, darling?
What day? Monday.
Yeah, it is a Monday, but that's not the actual day. It's new car day, that's what day it is.
Oh,
new car day. We're going to pick up another new car.
Yeah.
Because we found another one that needs rescuing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. What we're going to go see?
What, should we let everybody know?
I don't know. Should we just do a surprise?
Yeah, let's do a surprise.
Alright, you got to guess. You got to pause the video.
Comment.
We'll give you 5-10 seconds. You got to guess what the new car is.
Guess and comment what car you think it is.
Yeah, you got to guess and comment, exactly. And it's something I've never had before. That might give it a clue. And it's blue, there you go. And it's Japanese, there's 3 clues there. 3.
And it's sexy.
It could be very sexy, yeah. So, I can't like it. Anyway, thank you.
We have arrived.
So it's coming up on the left, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's coming up on the left.
Which side is left? This one.
Yeah, I'll turn the truck around.
Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Which one is it?
Which one is it? That is hiding behind.
Oh, okay, stop it there.
So this is the car we're here to pick. Little 12 around. Are you excited? The car's getting prepped. So are you excited?
Well, it's not an e-bike.
What's that mean?
Well, it's not an e-bike. It's not going to be as good as an Evo, but yeah, it's not had one, so I'm excited to start working on it and fixing it.
Look at the interior, quite nice.
Yeah, it's not going to crack the interior.
Oh, okay, never mind then. Go on, guys.
There we go.
There we go.
Start turning it, isn't it? Start turning it. There we go. Come on, car.
Come on. You're doing good.
Going down the slope now, that'll be good.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll give it a bit of lock then. Yeah, that's it. As it go down. Nice.
Way. Perfect. Two strong men working hard. Careful.
There we go, put the brake on.
Good job.
I've literally just come out.
So having to turn the car around so we can get it on the ramp. A lot of physical work. Need to come a bit this way, babe.
Yeah, that's alright. We'll straight up in a minute.
Oh, nice. Yeah, quite close. You're there, yeah. Perfect. Perfect, yeah. I think you've lined up. You're quite straight, actually. Car's ready to get on the ramp.
You might need to put these ramps a bit closer, actually, maybe. Just get it up there and have a look.
Just going nicely. Your calf's looking sexy, babe. Your calf's looking nice. almost there. Perfect. Lovely. There you go, she's on there now. Right, there you go. How you feeling now?
Yeah, alright.
Alright, just alright.
It was a genuine STI, so
Yeah?
I'm going to make it back into what it should be.
Nice.
Put the proper stuff on it and make it what it should be.
Yeah?
Only got 30,000 miles on it.
Oh, wow. Fair enough.
It looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks nice. Love the colour. Love the colour. It's alright, don't worry, I didn't get that in the video.
It's definitely a chap car though, isn't it?
What do you mean?
My friend Michael will love this. He's a bit of a chap. I'll send you this video too. So it's definitely a Michael car.
It's a nice colour.
Get the back end.
Yeah. Oh. Let's check her out from the back.
We'll look around the other side as well. STI, Type UK. There we go, genuine UK STI.
There we go.
Don't really want too many STIs, do you? It's not too good for your health. Getting too many STIs.
Not good for your health.
I stayed away from them for so long. So I've got Evos instead. You don't get STIs with Evos. You just get FQs.
What's FQs?
Fucking quick.
Oh, that was... It's a nice spoiler as well.
Yeah, it's a big spoiler.
Yeah.
Chap sized. So that is my proper Pro Drive UK spec STI on the truck. Let's go home, and we've started buying bits for this baby already. I've got a proper front grille for it, I've got a front splitter for it, I've got brakes for it, I've got... what else have I got for it? Just loads of bits I've been buying, like proper turbo gaskets for it, because it needs a twin scroll turbo on there. I'm going to buy a turbo today probably. It's the first job we need to do on it really, fit the turbo. I'm probably going to get a front mount for it. Been buying loads of bits for it, so yes, got some money spent on it already. Woo! Let's go baby. See you in the next one. Whoop! Cheers guys, I've never really liked Subarus, but I like this one, it's pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with this, pretty chuffed, pretty chuffed. Proper, awesome, happy with that. This is a genuine Type UK Pro Drive STI. Babes, what does DJ Khaled say?
When?
All the time.
DJ Khaled, what's this say?
Another one!
Oh yeah, another one.
Another one!
I was going to say, he says...
There's sexy cars going on over there. Ah! That's Haram, babes. Can't show you on video. Ah! I love you, beautiful. You're too beautiful for video. No one can see you. Love you. Those are not the noises you think they are. I'm actually going to post this as well. You're well naughty, you are. Love you. Ah, babe, this is supposed to be a car video. Another one. You know this sexiness right here. You know this sexiness right here. You know it, baby. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button now if you're not subscribed already to the channel. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.